Welcome, this is the 3-step tutorial. That's the 3-step, that's what it looks like. And before we get started, shout out to my real life students. This video really is for you. I hope you're practicing at home during COVID-19 and I hope you're staying safe. Okay, there's a million reasons why I like the 3-step, so I'm not going to say it on the video, but if you want to put in the comments below why you like the 3-step or don't like it, we can have that conversation. I'm down to learn about your perspective. Alright, jumping off, you don't need to know the 6-step to know the 3-step. They're only related to each other in name. That said, I've been calling this position right here position 6 forever, so just call it position 6, get over it. Don't stick your butt in the air. Keep your back flat. Your tailbone is the same height as your neck bone. Okay, drawing a line in front of you, this is the easiest way to learn, is a grid. Draw that line in front of you. Okay, step to that line. Good job. That foot is going to go pretty much land right underneath your chest. So you just step there. If you can do that, good job. Okay, now try, instead of stepping there like that, I want you to try to hop there. Boom. Okay, good job. Nice. Proud of you. All right, hop. And if you watch that again, you'll notice my right hand doesn't move at all. And that's really helpful for keeping the grid intact. Last technique about step 1. Make sure you land with your shoulder really close to your knee. And by doing this, you're no longer dependent on the bounce to make your shuffles switch. Boom, like that. Okay, like a mirror, everything's just going to switch. Okay, ready? Switch. Okay, I didn't lean back in that. Okay, don't open up that space between your knee and your shoulder. Step 3 is the final step. Okay, so a full 3-step is a 180 turn. So you can imagine picking up that line there and moving it to the other side. Your left hand stays where it landed in the shuffle, and your right hand goes over your left knee. Okay, so in full, step 1, switch to step 2, and step 3 is just landing in your position 6. Step 1, step 2, land in position 6. Okay, so admittedly, there's one last very important thing you need to know about doing a legit 3-step, and that's the kick. Alright, let's make this easy. We're going to slow this video down, and we're only going to watch what my right foot does. Okay, find my right foot. Good, you found my right foot. So my right foot will kick in step 3, it'll kick in step 1, and during the shuffle, it'll land in step 2. Step 3, aka position 6, is a kick. Bring it through the body, kick in step 1, land underneath the butt for step 2. We're going to play that same video over again. And we're going to speed it up just a little bit, just to make the video faster. Watch the left foot now. The left foot lands, lands, kicks. Lands, lands, kicks. And yeah, make sure your kicks are nice and strong. So that means engage your whole leg when you kick. Don't just throw your foot out there. Okay, so that's the end of your 3-step lesson. Again, shout out to my students in real life. Alright, and for those who want to get this move down really fast, I recommend 120 times per day, both directions. That's 60 times both ways. I recommend 5 sets of 12 for each direction. You can just spread that out throughout the day however much you like. And by focusing hard and hammering through these moves and really practicing them with full honesty, you're going to see a ton of benefits happen for you in just another week. And yes, you are going to get your own dope ideas before the week is over, maybe even before you start with the 3-step. Just make sure that you're not putting aside your training and not, just make sure you're traveling in a direction and you're not just making the same mistakes that I used to make, which was just not remembering anything for the reason I just described. I was never really focused and I didn't really take foundations very seriously. But foundations are there and they're created by the pioneers to help you understand how to move. They put in a lot of the hard work, so just read from the text and then build from there. Build on this art form from there. And last things last, the reason you want to memorize these steps and you want to practice them a million billion times is because this is a freestyle dance, so you want to be able to move freely. You know, you don't think about walking. When you want to go somewhere, you just walk there. You don't think about, putting one foot in front of the other. And it's the same with like what we call good dancing, so to speak. You don't think about the move you want to do. You just do the move you want to do. And whatever style and flavor and, whatever, finesse you want to put into it, that's up to you. That's your personality, and that's what makes you, you. So again, just memorize the move and then manipulate it the way you want to manipulate it, There's no rules. There's only foundation. And that's it. Okay, so thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and thank you for doing so. These videos take forever to make, and so it's very much appreciated. Thank you. Peace, unity, love, respect, having fun, making fun. Peace. Land. Kick.